Today, we are going to talk about a topic that is really trending: facial massages and facial tools, which they're claiming can actually replace injectables. Well, in my opinion, these two methods are only going to complement each other and they cannot replace each other. What your injectables do, for example, is like your Botox can actually relax specific muscles and it can soften your lines and wrinkles. If we talk about fillers, they can restore the volume that you've lost, and they can also lift up your areas like your cheek, jawline, and they can give you a specific contour. Also, these methods of injectables are long term, and when you do your facial massages and when you use facial tools, first of all, they're acting on a superficial level. That's on a fluid level. Your lymphatic drainage is basically a fluid that's get collected in certain areas of your face. And when you do a facial massage, they are drained out of your lymph nodes. So your facial massage and tools are basically acting on a superficial level and it is on the skin level. But your fillers or your Botox is acting on a deeper level, which is actually your muscle and fat. So what happens when you do facial massages? Obviously, the lymphatics have been drained, but they also stimulate blood circulation to that particular area. So what you see is that instant glow is because of the blood circulation that is given to that area. So when you do a facial massage or you're using a facial tool, the results can last up to 1 or 2 days. Of course, with consistency, this improves, but they cannot replace your injectables. So in my opinion, I strongly would recommend doing an injectable if you have a specific indication, but you can also do these facial massages and use tools to complement that procedure. Facial massage can help you when there's a lot of puffiness in your face. Say you wake up in the morning with a lot of puffiness around your eyes, or you feel like the whole face is swollen up, then yes, these methods are highly beneficial. And if you don't have any indications like sagging of cheek or sagging of your jawline, or if you don't have any wrinkles on your forehead, then just the facial massage and tools will definitely help you. But if you've started showing signs of aging, then please do injectables and then complement it with facial massage and tools. Just remember, these two don't replace each other, but they complement each other really well. Take care. If you want to receive such honest opinions and if you want to know what I would recommend, then like, subscribe and comment below.